Gotta get down. No. Going to the end. You stop that. Stop it.
I like that.
Stop it.
That's authority.
No. Then I'll start being a rebel like I did with my mom.
No.
Dinky Pinky. Go, man. What do you mean hurry up and let's go? No. God dang it, Max. Get out of here with that thing.
Take off flaps.
Are you landing or what? He's coming at you now. Pop! All right, I'm going up with the F-5. F-5 going up. Hurry up with that shit. Grab it the right way. Grab it the right way. Oh, what the heck? I thought you were grabbing it.
I can't grab that. It's too fast. Oh my God! It's gonna be sundown by the time he lands.
That's a really good flying plane, though.
That thing right now.
It's a really good flying plane. Ah!
Ah!
He was like literally standing in front of me.
You ass.
This is like a $600 fucking plane.
It's okay.
And that's exactly where it belongs, on the ground.
On the ground. That was good, yeah.
Can I go again?
No.
Wait.
Go get your Havoc right now.
Gorilla tape on the bottom. Oh, you
Go get your Havoc.
This is my Havoc.
This is not a Havoc.
Can you get out of the damn way so I can fly already?
Can I fly?
Take it off.
China clear.
Take it off. No, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. For formation.
Flaps up.
You can fly though. Go ahead. Go.
That's what I meant.
Just go. Go. Yeah. I can't fly formation, but go. Just go. But I can't fly formation because I can't really see the plane. I'm going to do a low fast pass before you go up. You can start your takeoff run halfway through the pass. Go. Ooh, you can see the burner now.
Oh my God, that thing's way faster than Mirage.
It's probably not the same.
Nah, you're way faster.
It's pretty quick. You can actually see the burners this time too. All right, I'm doing a fast low pass from the left.
My God. Okay.
That's way faster than
Time
Mirage.
remaining.
I thought
Yeah, it
was
is. It's got more vertical too. I remember chasing Frank's.
There's the F-15. Oh my God, it's fast.
It's pretty quick for its
Oh my
size.
God. This is super fast. I think it.
Actually,
yeah.
it's not that hard to see. I can
Man, I
actually.
should have worn the brown pants.
I can actually see it pretty
This
good.
thing's super fast.
All right, where is he?
Let's see. I had the right idea. I wanted
Havoc!
I'll grab it next, but I had to fly the F-5 at least once.
I need a fiery booty.
Damn, this freaking transmitter is cold.
It's all metal, right?
Hands, yeah.
That's why.
Jeez.
I'm pulling up and doing the loop.
Okay, I was gonna try to fly with you, but not now. Okay, fast pass.
It smells like cow.
Maybe the horse.
You gotta back up, Mike. You're too
Time
far out.
remaining 1 minute.
Is
There
that
you
good?
go. That's better. Just stay behind the line because I'm not gonna go ahead of it.
I'm gonna stand behind you.
Let's go!
Havoc!
Hey, you're the only one slacking right now.
I'm not slacking. I'm flying. You guys are the ones on the ground.
But you're like a plane behind us. You're a flight behind us. Oh my God.
I'm ahead of you now.
That
My
was
turn.
Just, okay,
That was
Just
close.
don't take our heads off with that, please.
I won't. I'll take me out first.
30 seconds.
Mike was in the line of fire too.
I know, right? I know. I think it's fine.
It's fast for what it is. It's not bad. This plane is sickeningly fast.
Here, I'm gonna do a couple touch and goes.
Go before it's too late.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
His whole left
5,
I lost 2
4,
points.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right, I'm gonna land.
At a rate of chromosomes from me.
I was full throttle and almost
Oh,
on
my
charge.
knees!
Okay, well, I'll come in once you're down.
What's wrong? Stop. What are we doing this part again? You just asked what are we doing this flight again? What do you think we're doing? We're flying habits.
Woo!
Nice.
That was fine.
Gear
Remember,
down,
Nate's
landing
riding on the
flat.
Mustang.
Yeah, that's
Oh, wait,
true.
never mind.
It never landed.
Exactly. It didn't land, just
It landed in
All right, taxi back, Mike. By the time you're here, I'll be good to come in.
Tail went up and do that thing on real flight.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
I went like this.
You're fine. You got plenty of time.
They went straight in
I'm way the hell out there.
Oh,
I'm way the hell out there.
careful.
I was running you over. Yeah, sorry about that.
Flight number 13, flight 13,
Oh,
boys.
God, I'm sorry about that, man.
Hurry up, Ray. Come
1
on.
minute
Hey,
over.
land faster.
I'm coming. I'm landing right now.
Gosh,
Land faster.
Jesus
You're
Christ.
taking longer than Max's glider, okay?
Wow, that was good. You gotta put some lights on that, man.
There's no room.
Next, okay?
Or get a new one and then
There's no room.
there's no room.
Okay, Nate. Go get the ramp.
Flaps up.
For what?
The hell?
Timber.
No, I'm gonna fly my F-18.
After.
Hey, why that should be too dark?
That's your opinion.
All right. So, are you guys want a Havoc flight now? Okay, I'll get my hawk. Hold on.
Let's get the clock.
You get the hawk out for fly now.